Are you tired of spending your entire weekend battling your overgrown lawn with a mower that just can't keep up? If you're nodding your head right now, then stay right here, because today on Tech Egadget, we are doing a full hands-on review of the PowerSmart 22-inch gas self-propelled lawnmower. This beast is loaded with a 170cc engine, a 3-in-1 cutting system, and a self-propelled rear-wheel drive that does most of the heavy lifting for you. Sounds pretty good, right? Let's find out if it actually delivers. I'm Jack, and you're watching Tech Egadget, where we test the gadgets and tools that matter most in your everyday life. If this is your first time here, smash that subscribe button right now so you never miss a review. All right, let's get into it. Product overview. So what exactly is the PowerSmart 22-inch gas self-propelled lawnmower? In a nutshell, this is a mid-range residential mower built for homeowners with medium to large yards. We're talking anywhere from a 1/4 acre all the way up to about 1/2 acre or beyond. The whole machine is centered around a solid 22-inch steel cutting deck, which gives it a nice wide cutting path so you're covering more grass with every single pass and spending less time going back and forth. Under the hood, or rather on top of the deck, you've got a 170cc OHV 4-stroke engine. Now, OHV stands for overhead valve, which basically means this engine runs more efficiently, burns less fuel, and generates better torque compared to older engine designs. And what really sets this mower apart from push mowers in this price range is its self-propelled rear-wheel drive system, which we'll talk about more in just a moment. Key features. Now let's break down the 5 features that really make this mower stand out. First up, the engine. The 170cc OHV 4-stroke engine delivers reliable cutting power even through thick, wet, or dense grass. During my testing, I ran this mower through some seriously overgrown patches, and it kept going without bogging down. For a gas mower at this price point, that kind of consistent power is exactly what you need for a medium to large yard. Feature number 2 is the versatile 3-in-1 functionality. This mower gives you 3 ways to handle your grass clippings. You can bag them with the included rear bag, discharge them out the back onto the lawn, or go full mulch mode and have the mower chop up the clippings and feed them right back into the soil as a natural fertilizer. This is a huge deal because it means this single mower can handle different seasons, different grass conditions, and different homeowner preferences all in one machine. Third, the 22-inch steel cutting deck. That wider deck means fewer passes, which means less time mowing and more time doing literally anything else. The steel construction also gives it great durability compared to plastic deck alternatives in this category. Feature 4 is the 6-position height adjustment, which ranges from 1.5 inches all the way up to 3.9 inches. Whether you want a tight, clean golf course look or a higher cut that protects your lawn during dry summer months, you've got full control with a simple single lever adjustment. And the 5th feature, the one that I personally think is the biggest selling point, is the self-propelled rear-wheel drive system. You engage it by simply squeezing the bail lever on the handle, and the rear wheels pull the mower forward automatically. This is a game changer when you're dealing with sloped terrain, inclines, or just a large yard where pushing a heavy mower for an hour straight would leave your arms absolutely exhausted. The rear-wheel drive also gives better traction on uneven ground compared to front-wheel drive systems. Pros and cons. All right, let's get real and talk about the pros and cons of this mower, because no product is perfect. Starting with the pros, the engine performance is genuinely impressive for a mower in this class. The 3-in-1 system adds serious versatility throughout the mowing season. The self-propelled drive reduces physical effort dramatically, especially on hills or large properties. The 22-inch deck cuts mowing time noticeably. And the 6-position height adjustment gives you proper control over your lawn's appearance no matter the season. Now for the cons, and I want to be honest here. As a gas mower, it does require regular maintenance, things like oil changes, air filter cleaning, and spark plug checks that electric or battery-powered mowers simply don't need. It's also heavier than cordless alternatives, so if you have significant storage space limitations, that's worth considering. And because it runs on gasoline, you'll have ongoing fuel costs compared to electric options. These are real trade-offs, but for homeowners with large yards and heavy-duty mowing needs, the power advantage of a gas engine absolutely outweighs these downsides. So, is the PowerSmart 22-inch self-propelled gas lawnmower worth your money? Here's my honest verdict. If you've got a medium to large yard, deal with sloped or uneven terrain, and want the reliability of a gas-powered engine with the convenience of a self-propelled drive, then yes, this mower absolutely delivers. The combination of a powerful 170cc engine, a versatile 3-in-1 cutting system, and rear-wheel drive traction makes this one of the most well-rounded mowers you can buy at this price point. It's practical, it's durable, and it genuinely makes lawn care less of a chore. I'm giving the PowerSmart 22-inch gas self-propelled lawnmower a strong 4.5 out of 5 stars on Egadget. It loses half a star only because of the typical gas maintenance requirements, but if you're comfortable with that, this is a really solid buy. I'll drop the purchase link in the description below so you can check the latest price. Let me know in the comments, are you team gas mower or team electric? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this review helped you out, please hit the like button. It truly helps the channel grow and helps more people find honest reviews like this one. Subscribe to Egadget for more product reviews, tech comparisons, and hands-on tests every single week. This is Jack signing off. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.